Dude, I started investing in mutual funds through SIP a few months ago, but the growth isn't what I expected. I'm thinking of stopping it. Let me explain this with the example of the Chinese bamboo. You know, the Chinese bamboo grows very slowly for the first 4 years. Almost nothing happens. But in the 5th year, within just a few weeks, it shoots up to 80 feet. Just like that, if you keep investing in SIPs consistently with patience, your corpus can grow massively in the long term through the power of compounding. Take my example for instance. I had started an SIP of rupees 12,000 per month 25 years ago. In the first 5 years, my corpus was just rupees 9.88 lakh rupees. Still, I stayed patient and kept my SIP going. In 10 years, the same corpus grew to 27.79 lakhs. Then slowly, the magic of compounding started showing results. After 20 years, my corpus had grown to 1.19 crore rupees. And today, after 25 years, my total investment is 36 lakhs and my total corpus is 2.25 crores. That means the biggest compounding gains came between the 15th and the 25th year. So if you ask me, just stay consistent and keep investing. Let compounding do its work over the long term. For more information, contact your mutual fund distributor today.